Hey guys, I'm Frida with OETI. Did you know that Wrangler made purses? I am completely in love with this purse. There's so many designs to choose from, but I chose this one and I'm really glad I did because it's very versatile. I've worn it with a lot of different outfits and I feel like it just goes with every single one. It doesn't seem like it would be a neutral, but it kind of is. Not only is it versatile, I'm a mom. I have to be able to have lots of room in my purse. So you wouldn't know this thing's really heavy right now because I have all sorts of things in it. My little goodie bag, my keys, a tablet, which I'm not gonna throw on the ground, a pan, just kidding, I don't normally use that, but my water bottle, my wallets. It has so many nooks and crannies in this. I love that I can fit the water bottle completely in it and I can zip it closed. That's how deep it is. That's a 30-ounce water bottle and it closes completely. It has a little zipper on the back. This is where I end up throwing my phone for easy access. I get so many compliments. I can say hands down, I have gotten more compliments in the last 4 weeks on this purse than any purse that I've carried my entire life. I have people stop me at the store all the time saying, where did you get your purse? And I'm like, it's on Amazon and it's by Wrangler. So there's all sorts of different designs you can get. I just happen to love this one because of how many outfits I've been able to wear with it, and it just matches everything really well. You might hear the name Wrangler and think, I gotta have a Western outfit with it. Absolutely not. This matched all my different outfits. So you do not have to be a cowgirl to rock the Wrangler. And that's my point of view.